Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys! Alright! So we have an unboxing, kakarating lang kanina, and let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Unboxing time, let's go! So may nakasulat na fragile. So, naka-bubble wrap siya guys, and inside naka-wrap ng cardboard. So, ito, one, and there's another one. Two. Ayan. So, these guys are some containers. Ayan, nakita ka lang ito sa shop. Ganito lang siya. Acrylic container siya, guys. Simple life. Sticker ba? So, it's acrylic. Acrylic container with a lid. So, ganito lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, close natin. So, ganito siya, guys. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. Close na talaga siya. And, para i-open, we just need to press here. And, tanan! There's an opening. So, itong container na to pwedeng as a small trash or lagay ng mga kung anek-anek, pwede dito sa loob, or ako binili ito para sa coins, kasi madami kaming coins dito sa bahay. So, dito ko ilalagay yung mga coins. And the other one, order pa ako ng isa, is para sa mga anek-anek ni Amelia sa hair niya. Alright? So, saan ako nabuksan kapag dito na yung mga anik-anik niya sa hair. So, I have a lot of coins, guys. Dito nakalagay sa isang box here. Cardboard lang po, guys. So, ang gagawin natin is so, ito lahat ng coins namin. So, ang gagawin namin is ilalagay namin dito yung coins. Please show you. Diba? So, ito na yung coins guys. So, diba? And then, I have some paper bills too here. Lalagay din natin sa loob. Then, tada! Diba? Very aesthetic. Charot. So, yun lang guys. If you want to buy one of these container guys, murang-mura lang din to guys. Just DM me on my Facebook page, Lia B 2.0 or Lia B 3.0, so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.